This preparation is exo chicken. Now I've got here about 600 grams of chicken thighs, boneless thighs, and skinless and boneless. They're cut into fairly big pieces. And then I've got here exo sauce. Now preparation of the sauce can be done, but it takes a long time. You need a lot of ingredients like scallops and dried prawns, shrimps, etc. So I bought this ready-made one, which costs about 15 New Zealand dollars or 10 US dollars. So in the Chinese market, you get all this. Now I've got one red pepper cut into small dice them. This is about 100 grams of beans, round beans, and this is spring onion. And then I've got the Chinese rice cooking wine. This is soy sauce. This is soybean paste, and this is black fungus. Now this is dried black fungus. So I've got a little oil. Now this is water, warm water. So I'm going to soak a few of them in this warm water and soak it for some time, and then it will swell up, and then use it for the cooking. Rest of it, the black fungus, you can store it in a container and keep inside for future use. Same with the exo sauce. You can keep it in the refrigerator. And now I have heated up a wok, and I'm going to fry the chicken pieces. Put about 3 tablespoons of oil. Fry the chicken pieces in batches till it is slightly crusty on the outside on high heat, and then inside it's still soft, and then remove it. I've removed the chicken, fried the chicken and removed it. Now I'm going to fry in the same oil the beans and capsicum. So remove the fried vegetables. Now I've got about 4 red chilies de-seeded, and I'm going to fry it in that, and then add the chicken. Fry it for about a minute, and then add back the vegetables. And fry it in. After 2 minutes, add about 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, Chinese wine, rice wine, and spring onion. Fry for a minute. Add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and again mix well. Now add soybean paste, 1 tablespoon, and exo sauce, about 100 grams. This is 280 grams, so add about 100 grams. And the black fungus, which is If you got fresh, you put it, cut it and put it. Otherwise, like I soaked it in warm water, the dried one. Now mix it completely. After 3 minutes of cooking, it is done. So you got XO chicken.